Start variable name with any special symbol except underscore or dollar. Okay. Now another thing, you cannot give any other special symbol in between your variable name. We can try this one. Let's create a small program for variables. So how we can start the program? Shad, first line. Name for
Sir, from that before there was public, and then on our next session we did this class. So what's the public for?
I will tell you about it. Class and any name. Okay. Then another step.
Public class with
File
main
main string
or system
then
system that are
okay, let's discuss some variables here.
Mamaya pag-uwi, tsaka bukas yung class natin. Sana. Hindi, sabihin mo kayo.
Bago yung mukha. Tsaka yung kayo masipag na. Ito ba yung mukha? Buhok titig pa rin ito. Naunang titig na bago yung mukha. Ang nasagot yung mukha.
Pero may kapit na.
Hindi pala. Naupo yung cute. Tapos yun na lang sa buwan. Natanggal yung baso. Sige. Ayun ang gatas. Gatas na mo.
Okay, tell me, is there any problem in this program? if I will run this, execute this program, will there be any error or not?
I yes, because the double value
Where?
in the double value because it should be float.
Double value.
Should be the same one.
Because this
Now,
then
done?
It's in the assist.
Okay, now tell me how to execute this one. CMD
C.
cd slash
name of folder.
name of folder. Okay.
Set path.
Set path equals
Set path
percentage path
And then
semicolon and then the
the
directory, the address of the directory.
how to get the directory address.
Go to C drive and then
the Java
Java.
bin
C drive. Okay.
Java
program files,
Program and files.
Java,
Java.
JDK,
JDK.
bin,
Bin.
copy,
And
copy,
copy.
space,
Paste. Now
Java,
Java
Java C.
maybe C
Java.
Java.
and then arrow. Ito yung
what is the error?
the flow.
Float. Why? I have given decimal number. Float accept only decimal number, no? Then why it is giving error?
It can only accept one.
Why it is giving error?
Because the float only accept small values.
Small values, okay?
Because this
If I'll make it, I have given 20. If I'll make it 2, it will accept?
Yes.
why we print? Why? It's
If I'll make it 0,
Sir, one value after the decimal.
like this.
You can mention only either float or double, but you can't have them in the same.
what?
You can only mention the double or float. Either you choose just one from the two.
Is it so? In last class we did one program to calculate percentage. That percentage was coming into decimal. And we have taken float over there. Remember? It was accepting there. But what is the problem here? Incompatible type, possibly loosely conversion from double to float. Tell me solve this problem. Write this program on your notepad file and tell me the solution for this. mention F.
After point 2, we have to mention F.
Here,
Yeah.
that's it.
That's for me, it's valid.
Okay. Fine. Why not D with double? Now I can mention here 60. Why D is not required with decimal? Double. Double is also getting float, na? But large value, then float. Why it is not getting D?
Because the computer understands.
The thing is, if you will remember, we did C programming before. Remember? In C programming, we have to mention what we are going to print. We are going to print digit, D for digit, integer value, F for float value. We were mentioning into C programming. Remember or you forget? Likewise, in Java as well, we have to mention the float value because double is also getting decimal and float is also getting decimal. So we have to mention that what we are going to print, decimal, double or float. And we mentioned with the help of by writing F. Okay, now how to execute this program? Java pro. Sorry. Where? Okay. So these are the basic data types available with us. And these are the variables name. Num1, A, name, value, value 1. Now let's suppose if I will say num underscore 1. Num underscore 1. This is right or wrong?
No. Wrong, sir.
This is wrong?
No.
Guys, this is right. You can mention underscore. This is something. You can mention underscore over there. But if you will mention some other special symbol like star, like dollar, hash, it will not accept. And you cannot say one num.
So what happens if we put hash 1, like number 1?
Special symbols are not recognized into variable name. What do you say? Hash
Hash 1.
this.
Yeah. Eliminating the num.
Not it will not work because hash is a special symbol. Okay, this will not work. You cannot start your variable name with any number, with any special symbol. There should not be any special symbol in between as well. Okay, you can use only one or two symbols. That is, one is underscore, and somewhere you can use dollar. Okay, I'll show you that slide again. See, you can use dollar and underscore only. Other special symbols are not available as a variable name. And you will get this question into your test or exam. They will give you variables, data types and all, and they will ask which one is a incorrect variable name. Okay, so you have to focus on all these things. You cannot use hash, you cannot use star and all. You cannot use double. Double, why double? This one.
It's a keyword.
This is a keyword. This is a data type. If you will use data type as a variable name, how it will work? It will recognize that this is a keyword. And you cannot start your variable name with digit. Is it clear? Now write this program and execute this one. After that, I will tell you one more thing about this. Those who have already done, they have to tell me the difference between print and println. We are using here println. Now I am making it print. Somewhere I am using println, somewhere I am using print.
Print.
Println means line. Which line? And same line or new line? Same line. Print line means, println means, print line means new line. If you will see this output, everything is coming into new line. Okay? Every time it enters into a new line and print the content. Now, if I will use only print, what will happen? It will print everything into a single line. Is it clear? There are two things, println and print only. If you want to print everything into a single line, you can use print. If you want that you have to print everything into a new line, you can use println.
Set by P equals hindi idol. Idol dito sa bago sa dito thank you idol.
Done?
No, sir.
No.
That is a dynamic value. I can change that. I can write anything at the time of execution. But this is a static value. While writing the program, we are mentioning the values and all. But I don't want to mention values here. I want to write values at the time of execution. Now tell me what to do for that. Is there any idea? Do you have any idea for this? Do you have any idea about this or not? Of course not. This is your first time you are doing job.
But what happens if you run the program right now?
What?
No, what happens if we run the program right now?
See?
Okay.
Because we have just mentioned the variables. Where are the values? We have to ask for values. Okay? So, we need to do one thing for that. There is a one class, import java dot util dot scan. Okay? Scanner means scanner class will help you to get values at runtime. Okay? So what we will do, we will create a object. Scanner is a class. Remember this thing. Scanner is a class. So we'll write scanner. This is a class name. The object name is scan is equal to new scanner. Is it clear? Now first of all, what we will do, here we'll say enter integer for just message, not variable. What we will do num underscore 1 is equal to the object of your scanner class dot next thing. Is it clear? Now, if I will execute this one, save,
What is this, sir?
زحمة المعلومة عليك.
not suitable constructor.
Kira kong lalaki. Kaagan balik.
Okay. So we have to pass argument over there. Okay. System dot in you have to mention into the brackets. Now let's run this. Enter integer 20. Now you can enter the number at runtime. Just because of one class, that is scanner, and this class is available into this package, you have to import this one, import java.util.scanner. Remember, in C programming we did header files, hash include stdio.h. Likewise in Java we can use this one, import java what util.scanner. Scanner is a particular class. if you will write, if you want to use all the classes available into util, you can write star. In this way, whatever classes are available into util, you can use all the classes.
What is
Save. Let me tell you. See, again it's working.
So,
Okay? By writing star also, because scanner class is available into util. Util is a package. In util there are multiple classes. There are multiple classes available into util. But if you want to use a specific class, you can mention a name. But if you want to use all the classes, you can write star. Okay? Now, I want you to print except value for others. Cat, string, float and double. Do it on your system.
Ano yung sagot? Wala. Putol. Tinanggal niya yung...
Slowly.
Stop break mo.